Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of our Building Acoustics app's new features and updated interface. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned pro, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. So, when you fire up the app for the first time, a brief guide will pop up to get you acquainted. If you're new here, don't worry, we've got some handy tips to make your experience smooth sailing. Once you're in, the first thing catching your eye will be the meters within your Bluetooth reach. And what is worth remembering is that you can connect to both of them at the same time. Once those meters are connected, you're ready to roll. Hit that Projects button to initiate the project creation process. With the basics in place, choose the task type to your needs. This dictates the measurement type you'll perform. Define the standard, room partitions, and details about the source and receiving rooms. Voila! Task created and snugly nestled in your project. Want a tweak? No problem. Editing's a breeze, even toss in some photos for easy task recall down the line. Have a look at our new interface for importing measurements from different tasks. Filters are your friends here. Sort by name, project, or object. Pick the data you need, preview, and seamlessly import into your project. It is very convenient if you are doing different types of measurements in the same room. Let's talk interface. Of course, we can go to the current settings and change them if there is such a need. But you don't have to worry. Once selected in the project, setting will be uploaded automatically to the task. Hit start, and watch the progress bar inch forward. In mere seconds, results grace your screen. Results in. Now it's time to dive in. Charts and tables at your service, fully customizable to your preferences. Need to share? Export a comprehensive Excel report within seconds. Hold on to your hats, there's more. Say hello to direct PDF export for your reports. Yep, it's that simple. Well, there you have it, our new Building Acoustics Pro app. I hope you like the new, fresh interface of our app and new functionalities. If yes, then click the like button and subscribe for more videos, news, and tutorials.